बॉल फ्रॉम वेरी फर्टाइल ग्राउंड और विदाई का जो आशीर्वाद मिला ये रिश्ता को, और ये रिश्ता ने जो आशीर्वाद दिया इतने शोज को और जो प्यार दिया और जो एक सर्टन रिस्पेक्ट दी। आज जितने भी DKP के शोज लॉन्च होते हैं उसमें हमेशा होता है कि यार विदाई ये रिश्ता और अपने शो है। सो आई थिंक दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी when the entire team of और प्यार क्या हो गया should take thank you and blessings from the entire team of Nirisha Kalata and understand today is a lot of tension. What you have to guys have to live up to. So Mishka, Kanchi, Rudran, everybody, Neela, everybody, Mayur, everybody is there. Understand, Anup, everybody that how much you have to live up to because we guys are doing it anyway. Rudran, Neeraj, Shalu, Vivek, Arif, time to look at this there. But I think you guys have to say thank you to Nirisha Kalata. और प्यार क्या होगा कि टीम से thank you Nirisha. Thank you. और आशीर्वाद देना इसको. And please इससे सारे ट्रिक्स सीख लेना. सारे सब आपको बहुत ट्रिक्स सीखना क्या है? Formula for success. ठीक है. So come you guys. Nirisha team. Wow.
For inviting us here and creating a benchmark to which we can look up to, and with our hard work try and reach the same level, or maybe you guys can lead us the right way. And I just hope कि ये रिश्ता हम सबका ऐसे ही बना रहे और हमारे बीच में भी प्यार ऐसे ही चलता रहे. Thank you so much.
Let's click a picture.
Hi Hina, welcome to TeleChecker.com. Firstly, congratulations on completing 5 years. Firstly, tell us how this party. You have thrown the party. So,
Yes, I've thrown the party, and actually, not just me. Everyone has thrown the party, and Rajan sir has really helped me. It wouldn't have been possible without him. I always say this line. Whether it's my career, I get an award, I always say, and he has been there throughout. So I have to say this for this party also. It wouldn't have been possible without Rajan sir. Yes, I'm very excited and nervous too because this is the first time in my life I've thrown a party. So let's see how it goes.
so you are the host. So what is the new in the store? I mean, what is the?
I'm the host. That's the new thing.
Okay, but anything that is new in the party, anything that exciting is going to happen in
5 years. That's
Yeah.
new again.
Okay.
And I think for the first time we have the entire DKP family together.
5 years, so a lot of moments, a lot of connection. Obviously, 5 years. So how has the journey been?
The journey has been amazing for me personally. I have so many memories. In fact, every second is a memory for me, and Nirisha is always very close to my heart and will always be. So there are lots of memories and a beautiful journey.
You're looking very pretty in this gown. So can you tell us something about? I mean, what is the gown? Who's designed it?
It's just that I've picked it up randomly. There's no designer, there's nothing. I didn't get that much of time only. But okay, fine, it's looking nice. Thank you.
Okay. Lastly, any message for all your fans?
This is happening. We're throwing this party, having fun. I know you fans must be waiting for all this. I wish I could invite all of you and we would have had fun all together because I know whatever we are is just because of you. You watch our show, you love our show, then only we are there. Otherwise we wouldn't have been there. These 5 years wouldn't have been possible. So we owe everything to you. Thank you.
I think इन सबकी मेहनत जो लगी आई है और सबकी जो पॉजिटिविटी है टीम है जो एक साथ हमेशा काम करती है आई थिंक और सबके प्रेयर्स एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि रिश्ता अभी भी टॉप 5 में हमेशा रहता है इंशाल्लाह ये आगे और मुझे तो यही लगता है कि ये पॉजिटिविटी और हार्ड वर्क मतलब सभी का हार्ड वर्क राइटर्स उसके पीछे चैनल एवरीबडी से आई थिंक हमेशा ये मेंटेन रहे सबकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग रहे तो शो और आगे जाएगा एंड आई विश गुड लक टू एवरीबडी एज DKP हमारी एक फैमिली है सो लव एवरीबडी DKP एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दिस शो।
सबसे खास बात क्या थी?
मेरे लिए सबसे
हमारे पापा का शो है।
राजन सर को हम सब एक्चुअली नहीं मानते हैं, हम अलग अलग शो में हैं, लेकिन इट्स लाइक वन टीम, तो इसलिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि वो राजन सर का शो है एंड नाउ वी ऑल आर फ्रेंड्स, सो वी ऑल आर अ टीम।
Welcome to Telestricker.com. Congratulations for completing 5 years. So tell us, how has the journey been? It's been 5 years, lot of memories.
Oh, journey has been excellent. As professionals, it has been a very exciting journey because we got to do so many different things, playing just one character in the show. Our creatives are we should give them a big hand for that because they planned a lot for us. As actors, we cannot complain about anything because we've got to do so many things, playing a grey shade, playing a comic role, playing a strict father, emotional, all the shades we have played in these 5 years, and we are hoping for some more. And as individuals, we couldn't be more happy than doing Ye Rishta because we met during the shoot of this Ye Rishta, we got married during Ye Rishta, now we've got a son during Ye Rishta. So life has been a beautiful journey and Ye Rishta is an important part. In fact, our Ye Rishta is the first baby and Arav is the second baby.
So ये रिश्ता बहुत कुछ कहलाता है.
हमारे लिए तो बहुत कुछ चला. It's been our life.
Yeah. So ये रिश्ता 5 साल तो कंप्लीट हो गए हैं और इंशाल्लाह बहुत सारा और कंप्लीट करें. तो आप तो और कुछ और 5 साल के कोई डिफरेंट लुक ऐसा कुछ अभी अब देखना मिलेगा, ऐसा कोई डिफरेंट?
हमने कहा ना कि हम अपने क्रिएटिव से इतने खुश हैं कि वो लोग हमेशा इतना अच्छा कुछ प्लान करते हैं जो हमें इनिशियली लगता है ये क्या करवा रहे हैं, ये हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, वी लुक फनी ऑन द स्क्रीन और ये हम लोग शूट नहीं करेंगे, बट जो भी वो लोग करते हैं प्लान करते हैं सोच समझ के करते हैं, इसलिए ये भी हमने उनके हाथ में छोड़ा.
Lastly, any wish for all the fans जो 5 years से ये रिश्ता डेडिकेटली फॉलो करते हैं, एक एपिसोड मिस नहीं करते हैं, तो आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
थैंक्स के साथ हमें हमेशा ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करते रहे और ये रिश्ता ऐसे ही देखते रहे, हमें प्यार करते रहे, तो डेफिनेटली हम अगले 5 साल भी कहीं नहीं जाने वाले हैं.
थैंक यू. वेलकम टू Telestricker.com. फर्स्टली बताइए कैसा है, आज हिना खान होस्ट कर रही है, 5 years कंप्लीट हो गए हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, being a part of DKP, I'm very happy for Hina Khan. She's completed 5 successful years, touchwood, and I hope they complete 15 more years. ये रिश्ता का कहलाता है touchwood a hit. It's in fact a super hit, and I hope कि और आगे बढ़े.
आपके इधर डबल सेलिब्रेशन होगा, इन्होंने 5 years कंप्लीट किए हैं और आपका शो भी अभी जस्ट लॉन्च हुआ है, तो डबल मस्ती है.
बिल्कुल बहुत खुशी है, पूरा DKP फैमिली एक साथ आई है. ये रिश्ता हम एंड आई एम श्योर विदाई के भी काफ़ी एक्टर्स आएंगे, सो इट इज़ अ वेरी 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 स्पेशल ओकेजन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी फॉर हीना दैट यू नो शी इज सच अ सक्सेसफुल एक्ट्रेस एंड इतना उन्होंने किया है.
So do you draw inspiration from her?
Of course, why not? I mean, yes, I do. I admire her a lot.
Okay. So अभी तक का कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है? I'm sure people will be loving you and they will say,
Yeah, absolutely. People are loving me a lot. काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है and हमारा शो टचवुड अब तक अच्छा जा रहा है. People are like it's very sweet, simple, fresh show.
and how is it working with Rajan Shahi?
Oh my God, I have no comments on that. I mean, it's him, so it has to be like excellent, super, out of the world.
Okay. So क्या करने वाले हो? Anything in the party? So you
We
like?
are here for Hina just to congratulate her. So उनकी खुशी में हमारी खुशी में whatever she'll do, we'll be a part of it.
Okay. Lastly, any message for all your fans?
Yes, please do watch और प्यार हो गया every day on CTV at 10 PM. Also watch ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है.
Welcome to Telestricker.com, Kinshuk. Firstly, tell us, you have come to Ye Rishta parties. They have completed 5 years. So, how are you going to enjoy the party? What do you have to say?
Definitely, I really feel proud that Rishta has completed 5 years and Hina herself has invited us. So definitely, we're going to enjoy the party. We're going to party hard.
Okay. Kinshuk, you have been away from the screen for quite some time now. So, all fans want to know when are you coming back. So, please, any message?
Pretty soon, I hope my fans wait for me, but it's going to be pretty soon. Yeah.
Pretty soon. So, what are you doing these days? How are you spending your time?
Well, it's just that right now I was doing some South Telugu project and which got completed. So I'll come back to television, especially for my fans.